Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. While modeling any component in NX, first do the add material feature, then go for the remove material feature. The same component I have modeled in NX, this is the model. Now we'll recreate this component using NX. These are the steps I have followed to create this component. Now we'll learn step by step how to create this component in NX. First go to the file, new, choose model, our units are in millimeter, choose millimeter, specify the file name, specify the location, say OK and OK. Now we'll start modeling this component. First we'll start with the base plate with a thickness of 6 mm. First go to the sketch. I'm just choosing a top plane, say OK. Take this rectangle like this. Now this length, which is 90 mm. Do you want to scale the entire sketch? Yes. Press the roller to confirm. Now this width is 30 mm. Press the roller to confirm. And from here to here, the distance is, here you can see total length is 62. Then this will be 31. Press the roller to confirm. Now make it symmetric. This one, this one, this one. Say OK. Now see, the sketch is fully defined. Then go for the finish sketch. Extrude. Make it symmetric value. The thickness is 6 mm. Say OK. Now we have created this base plate. Then we will create this plate with thickness of 6 mm. For that, go to the sketch again. Select the surface. Say OK. Now take the rectangle again. Just create the rectangle. Total width is 50. Say yes. Take one line. Go to the entire assembly. Just create one line. Make it this some dimension. Make it construction. This is the axis line. Now just make this line as symmetric. This point and this point and this line. Go here. Just press OK. Now we made symmetric. Then the length is 62. Press the roller to confirm. This one is 50 and 62. Just go for the finish sketch. Extrude. One side. Same 6 mm. Say OK. Now we have created this feature also. Then we'll create this feature. For that, go to the sketch. Choose the front plane. Say OK. Now take a circle. Just create one circle. Press the roller to confirm. The diameter of the circle is 40. 40. Say no. Now the height has to be defined. The center height is, here you can see 34 mm from the top plate, this surface. So from here to make entire assembly, here the distance is 34. Press the roller to confirm. Now take a line, tangent line, just connect with this point. Then press the roller to confirm. Here also just make a tangent line. Here connect with this one and close the sketch. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. This line you make it a vertical line. And this line height is 7 mm. Here you can see this length height is 7 mm. Now remaining edges you remove it using a trim tool. Just trim it. Then close it. Then go for the finish sketch. Then extrude. Make it symmetric value. The thickness of the plate is 12 mm. Say OK. Then hide the sketch. Now we have created this feature also. Then we will create the round with the radius of 12 mm. Then go for the edge blend. This edge. And rotate it, and this edge, which is 12 mm. Say OK. Now we have created this feature. Then we'll go for the material removal of these two features. For that, go to the sketch again, select this front plane, say OK, take a rectangle, just create one rectangle, use entire assembly. Now take a circle also. From here, just create one circle. The diameter of the circle is 20. Press the roller to confirm. Then this distance is 35. Press the roller to confirm. Then from this point to here, make it symmetric. Say OK. And from here to here, the distance will be 21. Now this dimension is adjusted. Then just this point, click this coincident, just click, go for entire assembly. This point, yes, this point and this point, we make it coincident, and this distance will be 21. Now you can see now that all the sketches are fully defined. Then go for the finish sketch, extrude. Here we make it a symmetric value. Simply just enlarge this one. Here we make it a subtract. Simple. Now we have created this cut. Then hide the sketch. Then we'll create a cut here. For that, go to the sketch again. Select the surface. Say OK. Now take a circle. Just create a circle like this. And the diameter of the circle is 22. Say yes. Press the roller to confirm. From center point to here, the distance is 15. Say OK. Then go for the finish sketch. Extrude. Change the direction. Until next, subtract. Say OK. Just hide the sketch. Then go for the edge blend. Select this edge. Here the radius is they have given 4. Then give 2. And choose this edge also. Similarly this edge and this edge. Say OK. Now we have created this feature also. Then we just want to create a round here, this corner. Go for the edge blend again. Select this one. This one, this one, and this one. Say OK. Now just right click here, go for the orient view, isometric view. Now in this tutorial we have finished this component. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.